Who's this?
This is Officer Tonga.
Oh, hey. So Ben RecklessBen's been blowing my phone up. I think he tried calling me from private numbers too, so I didn't know if you were him or if you were a cop.
That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. About how many times has he called you?
Let me look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right in a row. And I'm trying to just be at sacrament meeting.
Gotcha.
You know?
Yeah. Were any of those unblocked numbers?
Yeah, all of them but one. One was. Did you try calling me?
Yes.
Okay, so then 5, I think. Let me count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you at 222, and then 5.
Okay, gotcha.
So,
So what I would do is either block the numbers or message prior to blocking the numbers of, I don't want any more contact. All contact. Just refer him to your lawyer. If there needs to be contact, they don't need to be contacting you. And if it continues, then there'll be a problem.
so Provo apparently has a warrant for him. I don't know if you, when you had him, if you looked up if he had any warrants in Utah County, because I guess the prosecutor's a Utah County prosecutor for things he's done in Provo.
Gotcha. Let me take a look real quick.
And there was a detective Duray or Duras that just got promoted to be a detective that's on the case.
Gotcha. Okay, I'm going to put you on hold for 2 seconds while I do a few record checks, okay? Thank you.
Awesome, thank you.
So it does look like he has an active warrant, but unfortunately it isn't serviceable. As in,
really?
the jail wouldn't take on that, on the charges that he has a warrant for.
Got it. So what would they do? What good is the warrant?
Usually, it's just if they make contact, it's advised to take care of their warrant. It's due to a space issue right now, so hopefully it gets resolved soon. But for the time being, it's they're only taking on certain charges and above, and the charges that he has don't fall into that category.
Got it. Okay, well, good to know. What do I just texted him. I said, don't text me, don't call me, don't come to my house. I'll press charges for harassment.
Yep, so that's great. And then just go ahead and block the number. And then if you continue to, if he gets in contact with you by another number, and you're able to confirm it's him and record the line, then that would help out law enforcement a lot in terms of just verifying that it is Ben.
Yeah. I mean, what constitutes harassment here?
So just telling somebody that, so I can even provide you with the code, and
Yeah.
let me see.
So you gotta go pretty far to get harassment, right?
So it would fall under electronic communications harassment, and so
Yeah.
like doxing somebody's information online, which could be a concern with him being a YouTuber. That would be a electronic communications harassment, as well as if you tell somebody that they can't contact you and then they repeatedly try to continue to contact you, then that also becomes electronic communications harassment.
Right. Is that like a misdemeanor?
Correct.
Oh, okay. Not a felony, huh?
Correct.
Got it. All right. All right. Well, hopefully this is the end of it. I can go back to church and go fulfill my calling and have a peaceful day.
I hope you do as well. And I would just, if you do have encounters with him in the public, obviously he's going to be recording. It wouldn't be a bad idea to do the same. Just with, we get what people send us without a subpoena, right? I'm not going to go into somebody's phone without a warrant or a subpoena to get footage, and so the footage could be edited and have missing parts to it. So again, footage can also be one-sided.
Yeah. Well, he's forged, like, so the manager up there, he forged her signature on a contract and tried to get her to write checks. I mean, they've done some serious, that's in Oregon. They've done some serious stuff to harass people.
Gotcha. Then it sucks that there's individuals that this is their job and that's what they choose to do.
Yeah.
And it just it makes the job that much more just difficult, because they skirt the line. They skirt the line very closely.
Yeah, they do.
And yeah, like I said, if you have contact, or if he shows back up and he's trying to make contact with you, then please call in and we'll have an officer respond.
Okay, you're the best. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Yep, have a good day. Bye.